Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your dropshipping business with Oberlo, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing up for an Oberlo account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Oberlo website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address and create a password for your account. Once registered, link your Oberlo account to your Shopify store. If you don't have a Shopify store yet, you can sign up for a free trial on Shopify's website. After connecting your accounts, you'll be redirected to the Oberlo dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Start by searching for products you want to sell. Use the search bar to enter keywords related to your desired products. Filter results based on categories, price, and ratings to find the best options. Once you find a product you like, click on the Add to Import List button. Review the product details, including images and descriptions. Customize the product title and description to align with your branding. Set your pricing strategy, considering the cost and desired profit margin. When ready, select Import to Store to add the product to your Shopify store. Go to your Shopify admin panel to view the newly imported products. Ensure that all product information appears correct on your store. Now, focus on optimizing your store's layout and design. Choose a theme that reflects your brand identity. Customize your theme to enhance user experience and navigation. Next, set up payment gateways for smooth customer transactions. Enable multiple payment methods to cater to various customers. Next, think about your shipping strategies. Set shipping rates in your Shopify settings or use Oberlo's recommendations. After setting up shipping, create a marketing plan to attract customers. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO to promote your products. Consider running paid ads to reach a broader audience. Once you receive orders, manage them through the Oberlo dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.